migraine attack, it steals your time, your joy, your ability to fulfill the plans, goals, dreams that you want, especially if these migraines are happening regularly or they're triggered by external factors in your life. So I have my core foundational practices that I share with all my clients that make a huge difference in managing migraines naturally. These are safe to be used in addition to any current therapies, and it's a really great tool to add into your toolbox when you're managing migraines. In this masterclass, we'll go through this together. It'll be an interactive masterclass where we look into my 3 foundational techniques that I use both for myself and for my clients to really get to the heart of migraine relief. So we'll be looking at awareness, how to track, journal, and maintain the habits that will help to build that long-term plan for how to manage migraines. We'll be going through a special acupressure routine. This is magic. When I have clients do it, when they're approaching a known trigger, for example, a storm rolling in, consistently I'm seeing them able to stop their migraine before it even starts. And I want to share this with you. This is the gold. So make sure you're joining to get that and to have access to the replay and the downloadable. And then finally, I want to also share another technique. We'll go through that in the webinar. That is excellent for calming the nervous system and helping to balance hormones if hormones are a factor in your migraines. So please make sure to register. Join me for this masterclass. Make sure to print or have the materials ready before we start. And I'm excited to see you there. All right.